Testing the sound out to see, like, it's a nice day today, and there's someone wants to talk to me, and it's Rachel. So I'm just going to stop this recording and see if it comes out clear afterwards. Hi, John here. It's Friday night, and it's 9:14 p.m. and we're just checking with progress today with Sian Elias, Supreme Court, Chief Justice, just standing in for the country on behalf of the Queen, and she has taken over from Anand Satanan, the ex-Governor General. So she's waiting for Jerry Mathaparai Andrews for his appointment as a new Governor General. Now, I've given her affidavit 9 o'clock this morning, just before 9, so that'll give her 72 hours in which to rebut it by next Tuesday, 9 a.m. in the morning. And so she must answer to that before she goes ahead and appoints her new Governor General. And he's been knighted by the sword of the Queen, the weapon in her hand, and blood on the end of it. That's not of interest to God, because he doesn't have weapons, and also her being the law unto herself, and using the grace of God authority that belongs to us in the MOAI statute that she's got in custody there. So we want that back from her, and we're exercising that right under the brand name and intellectual property rights of this country, Aotearoa, New Zealand. So, Sian Elias, this is a notice to you, and the Government of New Zealand and the Supreme Court of England, where the Queen is the Supreme Governor of the Church of England. She wishes to extend her new realms, and under her new title, that title, which has replaced Her Majesty the Queen and Right. So that, in fact, changed her status style of title and broke her sovereignty, which is not continuous, and that's why she wants to. She's trying to put herself in the Supreme Court of Wellington, New Zealand, and to renew herself and a new sovereign in her own company name, Buckingham Palace. That's her own private company, and also the Crown itself is no longer there as her. She is a private woman, but the Crown is the City of London company, corporate company that's running this country in debt and at a point of foreclosure. So Her Majesty the Queen of Right of New Zealand, that's the other company, but that's owned by the City of London as well. So I'll just let you know, Sian Elias, warn you, that we don't want any more governors here after the ex-Governor General, Anand Satanan, shut his mouth at Waitangi when he said he was going to answer to us. He didn't. And so he left a legacy of silence, and we accept the silence as ceding his sovereignty to us, back to us, and the titles. He forfeits the country of New Zealand, and that's why I say you're offensive to appoint a new governor here. If you do go ahead, you cause treason, Sian Elias, and the Queen, and Mathaparai. I warn you now, if you go ahead, you violate our tikanga MOAI law, because the tikanga Maori law is corrupted by the corporate company here, Her Majesty the Queen and Right of New Zealand. That's John Key's company, his government and Parliament. So we have our own MOAI, sovereign, MOAI Crown sovereign state government on the seabed, and also our Confederation Maori government on the land at Waitangi, where the authority comes from, and mandated the Prime Minister Sunakora into that position. We're going to the UN to take up the seat there on behalf of Maori and for this country. So that's all I want to tell you, Sian Elias. Just to let you know, the affidavit today, you have till Tuesday, 9 a.m. in the morning to reply. If you don't and stay silent, then you'll be like the Governor General. Before you do anything on the 31st, when you're supposed to appoint a new governor, it'll be offensive. It'll be a treasonous act, and we take action against you, the Queen, and the new Governor General. Thank you very much.